Umuupa ka pa rin ba dahil walang sariling bahay? For 10,000 pesos cash out reservation only, here at Urban Deca Homes Ortigas, mapapasayo na ang dream home mo. Hi, I'm Agent JJ Bacares. Panoorin mo ang video na to para mag-guide kita. Tara!
Imagine, for 10,000 pesos only, magkakaroon ka na ng sarili mong condominium property. 2-bedroom at ready for occupancy na ang unit natin dito, kaya the best talaga ito for your family. Pwede rin ito for rental business or Airbnb for as low as 19,000 monthly amortization through Pag-ibig Financing. Meron din naman tayong bank financing at in-house financing. Free housing loan process na rin tayo dito. Kaya wala ka nang aalalahanin pa. Very accessible ang location natin dito dahil located lang tayo along Ortigas Avenue, Extension Pasig City. Walking distance to SM City East Ortigas. Mga fast food, schools, hospitals, and churches. Very ideal ang location natin dito dahil one ride lang tayo going to MRT station, going to Cubao, Eastwood, Ayala Makati, and Manila. And soon, magkakaroon tayo dito ng MRT4. 1.3 hectares ang amenities natin dito. At pet-friendly ang community. Kaya, siguradong mag-e-enjoy ang mga fur babies nyo. Mayroon tayo ditong pocket parks, clubhouse, outdoor gym, children's playground, lagoon with koi fish, jogging path, 2 basketball court, at magkakaroon din tayo ng sarili nating community mall. Ang 10,000 pesos mo, gawin nating condo property mo. Dito sa Urban Deca Homes Ortigas. For more information and site viewing schedule, please don't hesitate to contact us. I am very glad to assist you clients. Once again, I am Agent JJ Bacares. See you soon. Bye!